May buntag bay. Hapon na di ay. So, kumusta diya? I am here at my balcony and it's nice day to work here. Indot ko siyang akuan and you can see my laundry over there, but let's move the camera over here. So, yeah, this is my balcony. And muna siya ang main selling point ng place kasi thing is indot ko na yung balcony. Yan na aeroplano. Sa tanan panahon nga mag-video ko ito la. Layo ay. Na aeroplano nga rin. So, ano ito kamay? Paano makita itong kabala? So as much as nindot magstambay sa balcony bay, the thing is kapait diri is like it's tugnaw. Kanina init siya na isan gamay, so nindot kay siya nindot fresh, nindot kadang warm siya nindot, and now it's starting to go cloudy and murag mag-ulan. Pastilan muna siya. Anyway, the reason ano pa duol gamay. It's too high siguro. That's it. So the reason why I'm trying to vlog here is that wala lang, naganahan ako ng sigtambay nga rin sa gawas. Other than that also is that I'm amazed kasi the thing is kita mo na kana siya, basurahan na siya. And we take that out every every basura day. Basura day was last Tuesday, kana sila nabilin kay wala tingin gipasud. But anyway, it's nice here kasi the thing is the place is so clean. Ang mga tao gina-try nila limpyo ang whatever they see. And unlike other people, unlike other people, nakoy nakita nga rin sa kalalaki nga, he just walks around and kung makakita siyang basura, iyang puniton na iyang ibutang sa kanang basurahan. And it looks nice. Kaduhan na lagi nagtutuyok na ng puti. Tuyok. Anyway, kita ko niya and he just checked out and may basura and he took it and he put it on the bin. So, baka hugaw yun na usahay na sa floor yung ginapunit with his bare hands, wala siya magagamit ng tissue unsa. He took it and then he put it on the garbage bin. So it's nice if yung anak palanta ba, like I also don't do that all the time, but if yung anak palanta sa Pilipinas, but we try to keep our surroundings clean, like we pick up the garbage that we see and then we try to clean we try to clean other people, like clean the surroundings. Doesn't have to be ato ang kagalingong surroundings, but if we see some things around, we just pick it up, throw it in the bin. Also, I need to learn that because the thing is, I'm also like, kung hindi akong basura, I'm not really comfortable with touching it. But these guys, that guy that I saw earlier, wala lang siya ma-video, it looks so nice nga. He's concerned. And he cleans it. So that's a good lesson for me. I tried to clean, but it's not like what he did. It was like, yeah, he just took it and then he cleaned. Mura to siya. Ganahan ako mo share because the thing is, I saw him and yeah, I try to clean things, but to my advantage. I only clean things na murag kuan, but I think he walks around this footpath every day, and then he saw it and siya, buling, ito nang ilabayon. Nana. So muna siya ang main kanang lesson sa atong video karon. On the other hand, this is another angle. Kailangan tong among kanang labada ba niya. Nindot sa lighting rin. Hayag ako na, no? Gadi na itom kayo. Blown out yung nakwabit na rin. Nindot na. Ang problema karon, wala na ko ilang isulti. So, mura na siya. Like, I was amazed by how that person was very conscious of the environment. He just passed by and saw a piece of glass. He took it and nakita mo siya kanang mga basurahan diya kanang kita na. Tawag ka na siya. So, ginagong kamera. Kasi lang yata yan eh. So, muna siya. So, he just saw that kanang opportunity. So he saw that garbage and he's like, nah, this doesn't belong here. So he took it and put it in the bin where it should be. So I also wanted to see like us like doing it also. I want to see me doing it also. So muna siya. It's around 1:14. Wala po ko'y kaon. And dugay ko ni mata. And today's my rest day. I had a long weekend of shoots. Kanang nag usa ka adlaw tulo ka buok kong shoot, nag baby newborn ko nag-proposal ug nagkanang family pag yun ko nya nag-shoot pag yun ko kanang kuan event sa eskwelahan. And they all pile up and I'm shit right now. I have a week to work, and then karong weekend na nasa ko yung pre-wedding shoot, and then after the pre-wedding shoot na atay kuan kanang birthday party, which is a lot of work. I might need an editor. I need a video editor and a photo editor who could help me with my workload. Because the thing is, workload it's weighing on me. I think I have ADHD, adult ADHD, whatever. And night times nga kusugi ko maka-edit, and night times nga digi ko maka-edit, and it gets annoying. Even my videos, like my vlogs, I'm gonna upload this video right now. Ako sang layatan ng uban mga vlogs na ko nagibutang previous, but anyway, I wanna upload a lot sa YouTube, but wala, ADHD said I have to do a lot of work, I have to do a lot of things, and muna siya maabot sa ubos niya, di na ako matrabaho. And also, you have to make sure to everyone out there na make sure you're good with your mental health, because the thing is, ako saan mo ako ganang may times nga hindi ko ganahan mo work. I have issues with my mental health. In denial pag ko sometimes, but yeah, you have to take care of yourself, take care of your health. Karon gihilantan giubo ko, and I had a very bad flu, and nagtrabaho pag ko while doing that. It was shit. Drive pag ko 2 hours to Bendigo, and kanang taktan pag ako si Laura. So yeah, take care of your health. And lastly, sa mamaya akong sulti, nihayag gamay. And lastly, sa man, wala na kami sulti. This vlog is just gonna be me talking. I hope I can do a lot of vlogs here. Ang problema is sa bauwaw ko, so muna siya.